My friend, let me ask you something. How many times have you gone to bed, closed your eyes, and suddenly all the mistakes, heartbreaks, and missed chances of yesterday came back? Your chest feels heavy. Your eyes grow wet. And your heart whispers, if only I could change yesterday. But here is the truth: yesterday cannot be touched, cannot be changed, cannot be lived again. Yet people still carry it like a heavy stone. This story is for you. If you are tired of that weight, if you want to forgive, let go, and move forward. Chapter 1. The backpack of yesterday. Imagine walking with a backpack full of stones. Each stone is a mistake, a heartbreak, a regret. At first it feels light, but step by step, it grows heavier until you can barely move. That is how most people live, carrying yesterday on their shoulders. But the truth is, you don't have to. You can take it off. You can walk free. Chapter 2. The trap of if only. Two small words destroy more lives than you can imagine. If only that. If only I had studied harder. If only I had been kinder. If only I had spoken up. But if only is an illusion. It's like running in circles. You never move forward. Replace it with a better question. What can I do now? If only makes you weak. What now makes you strong? Chapter 3. Yesterday as a teacher. Think of yesterday as a classroom. Every mistake is a lesson. Every heartbreak teaches strength. Every failure shows you a better way. The problem is not the past, it's refusing to learn from it. Don't repeat the same test over and over. Learn the lesson and move forward. Chapter 4. Forgiving yourself. One of the hardest battles is inside. Many people forgive others, but never forgive themselves. They punish themselves again and again for old mistakes. But my friend, you are human. You were born to learn, to fall, and to rise. Forgiving yourself does not mean ignoring your past. It means choosing to grow beyond it. Chapter 5. Forgiving others. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. Forgiveness does not mean trust. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting. Forgiveness means releasing the chains around your own heart. You don't forgive for them, you forgive for you. Chapter 6. The rear-view mirror. Life is like driving a car. The windshield is big. The rear-view mirror is small. Why? Because the road ahead is more important than the road behind. If you stare too long at the past, you will crash into the present. Glance at it, learn from it, but focus forward. Chapter 6. The rear-view mirror. Life is like driving a car. The windshield is big. The rear-view mirror is small. Why? Because the road ahead is more important than the road behind. If you stare too long at the past, you will crash into the present. Glance at it, learn from it, but focus forward. Chapter 7. Building tomorrow. Letting go of the past is not enough. You must replace it with a new vision. Ask yourself, what do I want to create now? Small daily actions, a kind word, a few minutes of learning, a step toward your dream, become the bricks of your future. Build it piece by piece, and soon yesterday will fade like a shadow. Chapter 8. Daniel's story. There was once a man named Daniel. His father had left him, and for years Daniel carried anger like chains. One day, a wise teacher named Mr. Elias asked him, "How long will you let your father's actions control your life?" That question changed him. Daniel realized forgiveness was not about his father, it was about freeing himself. He wrote a letter, burned it, and with the ashes, his anger drifted away. For the first time, he felt free. Daniel built a new life, full of clarity and purpose, because he chose peace over pain. Chapter 9. The gift of today. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow is not promised. The only gift you truly have is today. Every moment you waste in regret steals from the joy you could live right now. Use today wisely. Smile, learn, work, love, and grow. Final words. A new beginning, my friend. You cannot change the beginning of your story, but you can change the ending. Do not cry for yesterday. Do not stay chained to regret. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. Learn the lesson. Drop the stones. Life is not about yesterday. Life is about today and tomorrow. And the time to begin is always now. Thank you for listening to this story. Remember, the past is a lesson, not a prison. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to English Story with As for more simple and powerful English stories that will help you learn and grow every day. See you in the next story.